What is an SD-WAN appliance? An SD-WAN appliance is a hardware or virtual device that powers the deployment and management of SD-WAN networks. SD-WAN appliances work by creating a virtual network overlay that abstracts the underlying transport services, which allows the appliance to aggregate and manage WAN connections smoothly and efficiently. The core functionality of an SD-WAN appliance is to continuously monitor network conditions like latency, packet loss, and jitter. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how SD-WAN appliances work. Step 1. Connection management. SD-WAN appliances start by establishing connections to multiple transport services, traditional MPLS links, broadband internet, or LTE networks. Step 2. Dynamic path selection. Using the performance data, the SD-WAN appliance dynamically selects the optimal path for each data packet. Step 3. Traffic steering. Once the optimal path is selected, the appliance directs the traffic along its chosen path while continuing to make real-time assessments. Step 4. Encryption and Security. As traffic travels through the network, the SD-WAN appliance applies data plane or control plane encryption to protect the privacy and integrity of data. Step 5. Connecting users to applications. SD-WAN appliances continuously connect users to applications and services efficiently throughout the entire process. Step 6. Centralized management and orchestration. Centralized management and orchestration are an ongoing, core part of an SD-WAN appliance's functioning more so than the final step. Basically, centralized management and orchestration are always running in the background. There are 5 different types of SD-WAN appliances. Let's break them down. Physical, dedicated hardware devices installed at branch offices, data centers, or headquarters. Virtual, software-based appliances that can be deployed in virtualized environments. Cloud-based, virtual appliances hosted by a cloud service provider. Hybrid, combined elements of both physical and virtual appliances. And SD-branch, hardware or software-based appliances that extend SD-WAN capabilities to the branch level. There are also several variations on SD-WAN appliance configurations and infrastructure setups. Traditional WAN edge hardware. Traditional WAN edge appliances are dedicated hardware devices installed at branch offices, headquarters, or data centers. PC server architecture. In this model, virtual SD-WAN appliances run on standard PC servers. White box architecture. White box architecture uses universal customer premises equipment, or virtual CPE. There's also the hybrid approach, which combines traditional WAN edge appliances with network functions virtualization. There's a broad array of features you'll find in the SD-WAN appliance market. Despite the variety, there are a few common SD-WAN appliance features based on the core purpose of SD-WAN. Dynamic path selection, centralized management and orchestration, basic security, zero-touch provisioning, traffic prioritization and quality of service, and application visibility and control. SD-WAN appliances typically come with a few basic security measures, but it's important to note, no single SD-WAN solution can address all potential threats. For comprehensive network security, you'll need a multi-layered approach that may involve third-party solutions or a shift to Secure Access Service Edge, or SASE. If you're shopping around for SD-WAN appliances, you probably know there's a lot of variation in features and capabilities from one appliance to another. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate evaluation process. Start by evaluating your current network infrastructure and requirements. Next, identify the key features your SD-WAN appliance must have to meet your specific needs. Evaluate security capabilities. Determine your security needs and expectations. Assess the security features offered by different appliances and look for options that reflect your needs. Know your growth plans. If scalability and flexibility are primary concerns, focus on options that can scale with your organization's growth. Assess management and orchestration tools. Effective management and orchestration are vital for smooth operations. Evaluate redundancy and reliability, which are important for making sure that network operations remain uninterrupted. Check compatibility with existing infrastructure. Every organization has unique existing systems and varying transport types. Make sure the appliance is compatible with your existing network infrastructure to minimize disruptions and simplify the deployment process. Finally, consider the cost of the SD-WAN appliance and its potential ROI. Initial costs are important, but don't forget to evaluate long-term savings.